So for the same thing like direct proportion, there will be a real world context for inverse proportion. So some of the real world contexts, they can be very lengthy, so it kind of confuse you. So in such situation, take note of the essential variable. So in this case, right, my concern here is the number of hours to complete a fixed job. Okay, and it's related to the number of worker. So that means the number of hours multiplied by the number of workers is equal to the fixed job. And then again, they will usually give you a context or they give you a set of values. So your job is to understand the set of values. So when they say 16 workers, then we are talking about n equal to 16. 45 hours will be a representation of how many hours, so that should be a H. So I'm going to use this to find K. So you must know how to match the numbers that they give you to the appropriate algebra. So 16 worker represent n equal to 16, not H equal to 16. So from here, let's punch it in. So it should be a 45 times the number of workers equal to K. So getting K is quite easy because it's just directly punching calculator. And that gives you a formula. So essentially this formula will help you to find anything that you like, but you got to interpret the question. So in this question, right, the key word is how many more workers? So how many more workers will we need if you want to complete the job 5 hours earlier? So what is the meaning of 5 hours earlier? So initially it was a 45 hours. So 5 hours earlier means instead of taking 45 hours, you will take only 40 hours. So I need to find out. So if I need 40 hours, how many workers is needed? So I'm going to put the 40 into the equation. So if I do that, I got 18 workers. So interpret the 18 workers. These are needed to complete in 40 hours. But we already got 16 workers. So how many more workers do you need to hire? You already got 16. So it will be 18 minus 16 equal to 2 more workers. So you got to interpret the question a bit more contextual. So it's not as direct as them giving you the X and Y.